Today, I'll show you how to unsubscribe in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and go to the Adobe account page. Sign in with the same Adobe account that you used to buy Adobe Acrobat. This is important because your subscription is connected to your Adobe ID, not just the Acrobat app installed on your computer. Once you are signed in, look for Plans and Payment. Click Plans or Manage Plan, depending on what appears on your screen. Now find your Adobe Acrobat subscription. It may be listed as Adobe Acrobat Pro, Adobe Acrobat Standard, or part of a Creative Cloud plan. Click Manage Plan next to the subscription. Now look for an option that says Cancel your plan, Cancel plan, or End subscription. Click that option. Adobe may ask why you want to cancel. Choose the reason that fits your situation, then continue. Next, Adobe may show you plan details, benefits you will lose, or a special offer to keep the subscription. Read the information carefully. If you still want to unsubscribe, continue through the cancellation steps until you reach the final confirmation screen. Make sure you complete the full process. If you close the page too early, your subscription may not be canceled. After confirming, Adobe should show a cancellation confirmation message. You may also receive a confirmation email. Keep that email in case you need proof later. If you subscribed through the Apple App Store, you need to cancel from your iPhone settings instead. Open Settings, tap your name, then tap Subscriptions, choose Adobe Acrobat, then tap Cancel Subscription. If you subscribed through Google Play, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Choose Adobe Acrobat and cancel it from there. If you bought Acrobat through your company, school, or organization, you may need to contact your admin or billing manager instead. Also remember that canceling your subscription does not always give an automatic refund. Refund rules can depend on when you cancel, your plan type, and where you purchased the subscription. After canceling, you may still be able to use paid features until the end of your billing period. Once the subscription ends, Acrobat may switch to limited features, or you may only be able to view and read PDFs. So, to keep it simple, sign in to your Adobe account, open Plans and Payment, choose Manage Plan, click Cancel Plan, follow all confirmation steps, and save the cancellation email. And that's how you unsubscribe in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.